drawing. What do you say we do an octopus over here? So for an octopus, what we're gonna do, this is how I've been teaching her, do a circle, and then we're just gonna make some squiggly lines, but there has to be 8 of them, okay? So let's start with the circle right here. Good. Okay, not too shabby. Good job. Okay, so now where we're at in this drawing is pumpkin, octopus, skull, and an H for Halloween up there. I thought, you still want to do a teacup? Teacup's pretty easy because you already know how to do the moon shape. So you just need to learn how to do an oval shape. I think we could put a teacup right up there and that would be awesome. Yes? Okay. Here, come over here, TwoPack. We're trying to keep TwoPack over on this side. This little homie really gets going and he just starts like pitching the balls out of his ball pit, finding all the treats. You're obsessed, buddy. Was that good? Did you find some almond butter on a pumpkin or on one of the bones? Okay, put a dollop of almond butter over there. So after this, we're gonna do the pumpkins. Yeah. Mwah. Oh, I think your fans love it, buddy. Here. This is just a little bit of almond butter. He loves it. How you doing up there, little homie? Are you finding all the treats? There's some pistachios up here. Oop. Missed some almond butter on my finger. Here, you want it? Here. There. There, little homie. You're doing pretty good, buddy. I know, he needs to get better at sharing his toys sometimes, huh? Yeah. Do you have any Halloween messages? No. Ah. Be nice. Go get him. Maybe not right next to your brother, though. Maybe like the other side. Oh, boys. Look, your brother is trying to do his part for filming our Vlogoween, and you are making that hard for him because you think you're the star now. Which you did do really well on content this year. You did some really good product reviews. I think you have come into your own as a YouTube personality. So you guys are just going to have to share the limelight. Good job. Way to go. Very good. So if you haven't already and you want to help our channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, We do all sorts of awesome parrot content. We review products. We do fun games and enrichment for parrots. We do a lot about training. And basically, we try to be a fun source of avian education on our channel. Good job, boys. Hey, dig in. Oh, there is his stuffed pumpkin. The filling is just some mashed butternut squash that I boiled for a few minutes. And what'd you find? Oh, you found some almond butter, yummy. And mixed in some cooked corn grits and then some crushed nuts. And so in here is pecans, almonds, pistachios, and 2 little dollops of almond butter, which did you get both of them? Okay. That's pretty good, isn't it? Is that the yummiest dinner ever? Oh, yummy. That's good? You like it? Can you tell your fans what you think? He says, not now, too busy eating. I think he likes it though. Yay! Good job, TwoPack. We're so proud of you. Okay, enjoy your Halloween dinner. Yum yum. We have dinner inside your white pumpkin. And Mommy even gave you a couple of kale sticks. This is the same mixture, butternut squash and grits, with some chopped nuts. And she had said in the beginning that she wanted kale sticks in her pumpkins for parrots this year, so yeah, is that pretty good? So what we're gonna end up doing probably is freezing the leftovers, like we said, but we'll let her eat as much of this as she wants now for her dinner. Is that good stuff? Oh, yeah, it's kind of fun to dig in there for the yummy things. Who's my expert little Halloween forager? Sorry for that noise, guys. There is work going on up there. I'm hearing a lot of like drilling and stuff, so. Is that good? Wow! Look at this messy beak right there. This is what Pumpkins for Parrots is all about, guys. This is what you want to see. And it took us a couple years to get there with her deciding she liked pumpkins. And last year we did a stuffed butternut squash. Is that yummy? And just so people also know, there is a reason. Okay, let's not throw the pumpkin everywhere. honestly. I should have put newspaper down. But I can wipe this up here later. So the other reason we did the recipe this way is because, you know, ideally we do want to get like a balanced meal. So like if we just let them eat only pumpkin, A, it would probably give them the runs as much as they love it. And B, we also want them having their veggies in. You did not just, did you just throw a kale stick? Oh, hey, 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 we don't throw our food. Well, she is loving this, which is really great. And then we have later a couple of monster foraging treats. You don't get these until dessert later. Nope. Oh my goodness, you're a mess. Someone's gonna need a bath after that. Holy cow. Okay, let me help you get cleaned up. This is adorable.